Assalamu alaikum grade 1. I hope all of you are doing well. It's your English teacher. Today we will revise nouns. Nouns are naming words. Everything around us has a name. So nouns are the names of persons, places, animals and things. हमारे इर्द गिर्द जितने भी लोग हैं, जितनी भी जगह हैं, जितने भी जानवर हैं और जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, उन सब के नाम हैं. तो ये सब क्या है? Nouns. They are nouns. There are so many people around us. All of them have names like boy, teacher, doctor, farmer. All of these are nouns because all of these are the names of persons. Some places around us are house, hospital, mosque, office. All of these are nouns because all of these are names of places. All animals also have names like dog, cat, cow, tiger. All of these are nouns because all of these are the names of animals. Things we see have names too. Ball, pencil, chair, hat. All of these are nouns because all of these are the names of things. Exercise. Let's name these pictures. In first picture, it's a kangaroo. Kangaroo is a noun because it's a name of animal. In second picture, it's a picture of a chef. Chef is a person. It's a noun. In third picture, it's a picture of a cup. Cup is a thing. So it's a noun too. In last picture, in fourth picture, it's a school. School is a name of place, so it's a noun as well. Exercise. Let us now identify the nouns in the following sentences. Here, some of the sentences are given to us and we have to find out the nouns in them. हमें इनमें से nouns को ढूंढना है इन sentences में. In first sentence, the cow lives in a shed. Shed is like a hut. झोंपड़ी की तरह होती है. जो काऊ है वो शेड के अंदर रहती है. तो इनमें से नाउन्स कौन कौन से हुए? काऊ एंड शेड. Why? Because cow is a name of animal and shed is a name of place. In second sentence, the dress has pretty flowers. In this sentence, dress and flowers are nouns because both of these are things. In third sentence, Ali bought a beautiful house. In this sentence, Ali is a name of person and house is a name of place. So both of these are nouns. In last sentence, a doctor treats the patients. Doctor and patients are the persons, are the name of persons. So both of these are nouns. This is a page from your English workbook. So today we will solve it. Use the nouns above to complete the sentences. Some of the words are given in the word bank and we have to put them in the blanks. कुछ वर्ड्स हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं बॉक्स में और हम लोगों ने उनको फिल करना है ब्लैंक्स में. Okay, let's read the words. The first word is chew. Chew means chubana. It's not a noun, so we will cross it. The second word is Ali. Ali is a name of person, so it's a noun. हम इसको क्रॉस नहीं करेंगे. Plum. Plum is a name of fruit. It's a thing. ये भी noun है. हम इसको क्रॉस नहीं करेंगे. The fourth word is kick. Kick is not a noun, so we will cross it. Plane. Plane is a thing. It's a noun. Little. Little is not a noun. Rabbit. Rabbit is a name of animal. So it's a noun. We will not cross it. The. The is not a noun. Bowl. Bowl is a noun because it's a name of thing. Slow. It's not a noun. Book. It's a noun because it's a name of thing. Shout. Shout is not a noun as well. Okay, now let's read the sentences. The dash fell on the floor. Plum और bowl. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में 2 ऑप्शंस आएंगी, प्लम एंड बोल. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, डैश bumped his head on the door. अली bumped his head on the door. अली का सर डोर के ऊपर लगा. I can see a dash in the sky. I can see a plane in the sky. मैं जहाज आसमान में देख सकता हूँ. I bought a dash from the store. I bought a book from the store. मैं किताब बुक स्टोर से लाया. Look, there is a rabbit. Read the sentences and circle the nouns, then write below in the correct column. अब ये sentences हमें दिए गए हैं and we have to underline और circle the nouns in it, और फिर हमें नीचे columns में इनके nouns लिखने हैं in the right column. Number A. The plate smashed on the floor. Smashed मतलब टूट गई. Plate floor के ऊपर टूट गई. So what's the noun in this sentence? It's a plate. Plate is a noun because it's a name of thing. Number B. A car went speedily. Speedily means तेजी से. कार तेजी से गई. Car is a noun because it's a name of thing. Number C. On Saturday, you need to walk the dog. Saturday वाले दिन तुम dog को walk के लिए लेकर जाओगे. So what's the noun in this sentence? It's a dog because it's a name of animal. Number D. The camel walked through the desert. Camel and desert are nouns because camel is a name of animal and desert is a name of place. कैमल ऊँट होता है. डेजर्ट वो जगह है जहाँ पर रेत ही रेत होती है और यहाँ पर बहुत गर्मी होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा. सो इट्स अ प्लेस. सो बोथ ऑफ देम आर नाउन्स. नंबर ई. आवर टीचर टीचर्स वेरी वेल. हमारी टीचर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाती है. टीचर इज़ अ नाउन because it's a name of person. F. Number F. Mr. Saad tripped and fell on the road. Tripped मतलब ठोकर लगाकर, ठोकर खाकर गिर जाना. किसी चीज़ के साथ लग के गिरना, उसको हम ट्रिप्ड कहते हैं. अब जो साद है वो किसी चीज़ के साथ लग के गिर गया रोड पे. So what's the noun in this sentence? Mr. Saad because it's a name of person. The last one. Canberra is the capital city of Australia. Canberra and Australia are nouns because both of these are names of places. Now we have to write these nouns in the correct column below. There are 4 columns: person, place, animal, thing. Plate. Plate. Now see in this first sentence we have underlined the word plate. Plate is a thing. So it will come in the column thing. On the second sentence the noun is car. Car is a thing. So it will also come in the last column. C. In C, the dog is a noun. It's a name of animal, so it will come in column animal. The camel, okay. On D, camel and desert are nouns. Camel is a name of animal. So we will write in column, third column. And desert is a name of place. So we will write in second column. The next is teacher. Teacher is a name of person. So we will write in first column. Mr. Saad. It's also a name of a person, so we will write in first column. Canberra and Australia are the name of places, so we will write them in second column. I hope you have understand nouns. Take care. Allah Hafiz.